Samsung Galaxy S23 series is most likely going to be launched towards the end of February next year. First of all, there are no major design changes, at least not in the S23 Ultra, which at a glance is going to look a lot like the S22 Ultra. But having said that, the base S23 and the S23 Plus are going to have some design changes. Both will look a lot more like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, with the camera housing removed, and each camera lens to be an own independent island. Also, the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus are going to be slightly taller than their predecessors by about 1/3 of a millimeter. It seems like the Galaxy S23, the base variant, is going to get thicker bezels, while the Galaxy S23 Plus is going to have slimmer bezels, but Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to have the slimmest bezels because it's still going to be a curved display. If you hold your purchase for a few months, we suggest waiting for Galaxy S23 series. Why exactly? For starters, they are upgrading the chipset. Access the entire series as quite a major one, though it may not seem like it on paper. The whole of the Galaxy S22 series comes equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. This processor is notorious for having severe heating issues affecting the battery life and performance, laying Samsung's foundries for that, and it's almost wholly established that the Galaxy S23 series will feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, based on TSMC's fabrication instead as Samsung's in the phones launched with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, also based on TSMC's fabrication process, boasted far better results than its predecessor. So we indeed, and rightfully so, had high hopes for what Qualcomm does with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and how well Samsung takes advantage of it. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will also be one of the first phones to have Wi-Fi 7 support. You see, right now the Wi-Fi standard that we use is Wi-Fi 6E, and while is amazing, but the Wi-Fi 7 takes things to a whole new level. First, it offers 2.4 times faster speeds than Wi-Fi 6 with the same number of antennas. It also offers the world's lowest latency, which will be great for gaming. Qualcomm also insists the power consumption is less by as much as 50%, which will improve the battery life considerably. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.